Alright, this is going to be a small and quick one. Sort the LEDs, diodes, ICs, transistors, and capacitors. Sort the components and assess the PCB board. This is supposed to be some sort of siren in the end. Let's see. As usual, I like to add the small components first. So LEDs and diodes. Snip off the excess legs. Now the transistors, usually a bit tricky with three-legged components. Time to smack the LEDs on. These are consumable vape devices, and they have rechargeable 3.7 volt lithium-ion batteries. I tend to keep them to scavenge the batteries and use them for projects. 3 of them in series will just do fine for now.